Okay, okay, good. So we're on question number 11. Sorry about that, people at home. The computer froze up on me again. Question numbers 11 and 12. They're asking you to come up with the equation of a line. Now, there was confusion. That was mainly my fault when we did the assignment in this section. I'm looking for not the line that comes the closest to all the points. We're looking for the line that goes through all the points. And obviously, on number 11, the line goes through all the points because you can see it right there, okay? Number 12, they don't have a drawing for you. If you want to graph it, go ahead. You don't need to, though. I'm telling you right now, the line we're looking for goes through all of those points, okay? Goes through all of them. So, really the only difference in number 11 and 12 is there's no picture on number 12, and they give you more information what's necessary. If you wanted to, and I'm going to do this in a few minutes on number 12, I'm going to cross out 3 of the points. I'm going to keep 2 of them. The other 3 I'm going to get rid of, okay? So look at number 11. They give us the points 320 and 7, 8. 320 and 7, 8. So we need to find the equation of the line. The first thing we got to do is find the slope. Remember, to find the slope, we take our x, y, we subtract our y values. Y sub 2 minus y sub 1 over x sub 2 minus x sub 1. My 2 y values are 20 and 8. I can do 20 minus 8 or 8 minus 20. Doesn't matter. I'm going to choose 20 minus 8. But if I choose 20 minus 8, I have to do 3 minus 7. You've got to be consistent. It's not always the big number minus the small number. That's not always the case. Okay? We take 20 minus 8, we get 12. 3 minus 7 is negative 4. Feel free to tell me to move if I'm ever in the way and you can't see. I won't be offended. 3 minus 7 is negative 4. 12 divided by negative 4 is negative 3. And it should make sense that your slope is negative because the line is going down. So it better be negative something. And it was negative 3. You guys remember the next step? It's a really, really, really simple step. It's not even a math step. You don't even have to think on it. We got 2 points there. Somebody remembers? Pick one. It doesn't matter which one. It doesn't. I'm going to pick 320. No, I'm going to pick 7, 8. It really doesn't matter. Okay? Now, if you pick 320, your work will look different, but as long as neither one of us makes a mistake, our answer will end up the same. So we write down y equals mx plus b. Why did they give us 2 points in the first place then if we're just going to cross one out? Anybody know? Find the slope. Okay? All right, so our y value I'm going to use is 8. My m is negative 3. X is 7 plus b. 8 equals negative 3 times 7 is negative 21 plus b. We add 21. 8 and 21 is 29 equals b. So my equation is y equals negative 3x plus 29. That is the equation of the line that goes through those 2 points that you see pictured there. You find your slope, pick a point. Plug stuff in to find the value that we don't know yet. 12 is the same question. I'm going to write down the entire table. 53 to 65.
Wait, can't we just tell based on the fact that these go up by 3?
Which one are you talking about?
The x's.
Okay, so what are you saying the slope is?
I'm not really saying, I'm just saying that we know it goes through.
Okay, but that doesn't mean the slope's necessarily 3. They are going up by 3s. I'll give you that. They're definitely going up by 3s. Okay? And you might be, here's the deal. And I don't know if I'm talking about you, I might be talking about somebody in this class right here. Some of you see there's a pattern with the x's. Do you see a pattern with the y's or not? 12s, okay? Do you think you know the slope right now?
4.
Okay. Did you do it in your head?
Yeah.
I'm going to use him as an example. Okay, he did it in his head. Was it very hard to do in your head?
No.
You think you want to see your work on your test, though?
Yes.
I definitely want to see it. Even if you can do it in your head, good for you. Humor me and show me your work. Because let's just say you're in a big hurry, and you say, oh, they're going up by 16 or 18 and 3. And then you put down the slope of 6. And you did it all in your head. I have no idea where you got that. Okay, so I mean, even if you can do it in your head, show your work. It's not that much work to show. I want to see your work, okay? Okay, so what did it start with? 217, and we're going by 12s. 265. Okay, there's way more information than you need here, okay? You only need 2 points. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to circle these. I'm going to cross those out. And just like I said, on your homework, it wasn't like this. On your test, it is. They are going to all be on a straight line. We're not looking for the line that comes closest to all of them. We're looking for a line that goes through all of them, and there will be one, okay? So we take our y minus y, 229 minus 217 over x minus x, which is 56 minus 53. This is what Phoenix did in his head, but he's still showing his work here. 12 over 3, which is 4. Okay? As our y's went up 12, our x's went up by 3. 12 over 3 is 4. That's our slope. Now what? Not yet.
Get rid of the problem.
Which one? Does it matter? Okay, I'm going to use 53, 217. Okay, I'm going to use that one. So, y equals mx plus b. Y is 217. M we found out was 4. X is 53 plus b. 4 times 53 is 212. We subtract 212. We get 5 as b. Now, just be careful here. I've never said this yet. Is this an equation? 5 equals b. Is that an equation? Yeah. Yeah. But is it the equation of the line I'm looking for? It's information we need, but you're not done. If you stopped right here, this question's worth 6 points. You probably get 4 or 5 out of the 6, but you wouldn't get all the points. So I need the final answer. Your final answer is y equals what? 4x plus 5. That's what you need to put. All the information's there. You just need to put it together. Okay? Question on these. Don't tell me what I want to hear. Tell me the truth. Does this seem easier than what we've been doing the last week?
Yes.
Okay.
That,
This doesn't. Yeah.
that.
Well, we got some studying to do then and questions to ask. Why don't we do this? You guys want to hit those 4 questions tomorrow then and just call it a day to that? Okay. So this is the first half. So tomorrow we're going to study the second half. We have 4 questions we're going to go over. And then Tuesday, and again, don't forget, don't show up on Tuesday and go, oh, I forgot to study. My response is, sorry. Okay, you're taking the test. Then we'll take the first part on Tuesday, and you'll have until Thursday to take the second part. Okay? All right, rest of the time's yours to study, do another look, working on another class, work on section 1.4.